how do websites like booking.com, Trivago, hotels.com, etc. make money? And the short answer is, drumroll, commission. Thanks for watching this video, guys. This is the end of the video and I'm glad you stayed around to see the answer. No, wait, the real question is, how do they make money and how do they get away with it? And boy or girl want to find that out. So random Joe or Joanna goes on Google and types in hotels near Chernobyl or whatever pleasant location you wish to comfort yourself for your vacation. And what pops up is a bunch of referring or affiliate type based websites like Booking, Hotel, Trivago or whatever offering accommodation. How their business works is they are a commission-based business. They make a commission on every sale that goes through their platform or website. But the question is, who do they serve and what is the main key that led to them even being a platform or a successful business? Stick until the end of the video and you will have the answer to that question. So first, I've got some numbers for you guys. So Priceline Group is the largest online travel company in the world. They own Booking, Agoda, Villas.com and Kayak.com. Sorry if I don't pronounce them right in your language. Booking Holdings did over $12 billion in revenue in 2017. Their competitor Expedia Group, which owns Hotels.com, Hotwire, Trivago, Orbitz, and TravelC, did $11.2 billion in 2018. So what they're doing works. What are they doing? And why did we call out Google and Joe or Joanna using Google? They should serve those websites as their commission-based business. They should be serving the client and connecting the client to the business. But the reality is those websites connect the client to Google. Why? Many of the hotel owners were kind of old school and were slow to go and get the proper website, proper on-page optimization and so on. So what happened was, especially 10-12 years ago, optimization was taken over by spammy backlinks and so on. So getting a good page rank puts you in front of the eyes of many people, and the guys that didn't do that got buried down the Google drain. Page 4, 5, 6, 7 and other pages no one is checking or looking for. So unlike them, those platforms manage to do the proper SEO, which varies in many methods, to rank on Google for the best spots. What this approach did for them is they managed to perfect customer acquisition and customer lifetime value, because they were really good at squeezing the most out of the customers. Once they get your email, you know there's no going out of their platforms. I mean, because no one bothers clicking the unsubscribe button on the emails, you know, down below. That's actually an option. So they were able to make money on the front end and on the back end from the user. So front end sale is when a customer clicks on an ad on their rec for a keyword, the customer clicks on it, goes on the website and purchases. Back end sale is upselling that user, or if he didn't buy, just register, they have his email, they keep sending him email, coupon codes, discounts and whatever to make him convert. They're modern conquistadors. No wonder they're after the same thing, money. Even worse, your money. How can you prevent that? If you're a hotel owner, you probably want to own your customers and make money from them on the front end and the back end, because that way you get more money from your customers. You can afford to spend more money on customer acquisition, because if you're only getting $100 per conversion and it takes 10 people to convert, your cost per click is 10. This is the break even you do. But if you can make money on the back end and make him purchase 2 or 3 times on average, and the lifetime value of this user goes to $300 to break even, or $15, you can afford to spend $30. You know where I'm going, right? Customer acquisition or marketing, this is another word you can use instead of marketing, is what will help you scale your business, hotel or whatever. For Instagram management for your hotel, you can check my website. But if you want to do things on your own, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I post videos a few times every single week helping you manage your social media account, SEO your website, optimize your Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube SEO, everything you need for your online presence. And if you're new here, a video a day keeps the doctor away. Keep in mind, this is no financial advice and this is no medical advice. Do your own due diligence. And while you're at it, make sure to check one of those videos out, right? You can check this one, or you know, why not? I mean, be a little wild. Check this one. I mean, no matter what you do, you should click the subscribe button. I mean, that's something that you should do. See you next one.